Childproof Lever Lock by Wappa Baby allows your curious little ones to explore with an extra layer of safety for their environment. With no tools or stress, simply clean the installation area and test the lever lock for clearance. Peel off the adhesive backing and push firmly against the door for a few seconds. The 120-degree rotating arm will accommodate most door lever handles. It is easy for parents to enable and disable the lock even with just one hand. The dual button pressing technique for locking or unlocking makes it difficult for most toddlers to operate. While keeping an eye on your little one, you can now catch up on some emails or work on some household chores. Your child will have the freedom to explore and play, while you have peace of mind knowing they're not going to leave your sight. Besides its sleek white design, all of the features our lock provides were designed to bring safety and protection to your household, while also providing a stress-free environment for supervision.